Hello, welcome back to the workshop. It's fantastic to have you here again. Thank you so much. So, yesterday we made some Damascus by hand with a hand hammer. We made a kiradashi. It was a huge amount of fun. Today, we're taking an even bigger block of Damascus steel, and again, no MIG welder, no power hammer, just me, but this time, Sam's gonna be swinging a sledgehammer. So this is making Damascus steel with a sledgehammer, and it's gonna be a fantastic project. Thank you for joining me. So much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me make some Damascus with a striker. Sam, thank you so much for swinging the sledge. You did a great job. It was a massive amount of fun. I made a kiradashi the other day, making the Damascus with just a hand hammer. Go check out that video. But stay tuned, because tomorrow I want to make something really special out of this hand-forged block of steel, this striker-forged block of steel. And I'd love your advice below as to what to make. I'm thinking we need to make a warhammer out of it. Let me know below in the comments. I make videos every single day, so if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and check out some of the other videos I have. A whole boatload of videos on this channel, and there's going to be a whole boatload more. Thank you so much, and I will see you tomorrow on the next episode. Bye-bye.